here it is. This is the MICRODIA SNAPPad Visi-TRIO. It is a 23 watt 4-in-1 portable foldable wireless charging pad with ambient lighting. Excuse me, this is actually the first time I'm taking a look at the box. So usually I do have a little test run, not this time. I'm so eager to get right into it. And the one thing I said about the folio was that when I plugged it in, there was no light to show me that it was in. And that's fine and all. When you're on a plane or in a hotel or something, you don't want ambient lighting to be, glowing in your eye while you're trying to sleep in a new place. We all know exactly what I'm talking about here. I can't be the only one who has stuck press stick or blue tack or stickers over charger lights and smoke detector lights and whatever. But all right, so forget about that. Let's take a look at this thing right now. So it is a 4-in-1. Again, it is a foldable wireless charging pad. 4-in-1, 23 watts, powered by smart AI and Qi certified. So we know it's good stuff. Just like before, great packaging, really premium quality feel to the whole thing. Also a very cool color, which is really, really nice. So it does say here, it's 23 watts in total. It has the input USB-C 18 watt in, and it does 15 watt out for your phone, 5 watt out for your AirPods or another phone, and 3 watts for the Apple Watch. It's made of aluminum, ABS and PC plastic, and it has really a very small size, 80 by 80 by 28 millimeters when folded. So this thing could really just slip in your pocket. I like at the back of the packaging, they've got a very nice image here, of it in use, and there's a little passport. So this is super for travelers, and that's something that I really like doing. In the past year alone, I've been to South Africa, England, the Philippines, Thailand, and I'm most likely heading off to Macau in the next couple of weeks. So this is perfect for travelers. If you're a traveler, this is what you need. Anyway, enough of me rambling on. Let's get into it. As you can see, the tab is still down. This is one of my favorite parts. Tab up. Oh, that feeling, I love it. That's what unboxing is all about. That sound, you love that. And here we go. All right. True to form, the lovely little user manual. And as always, thank you for choosing MICRODIA. It's the politeness that gets me. I really, really like it. Okay, and so you've got your notes, product packaging, and it's pretty much the same as all the ones I've seen before with the relevant specifications, warning, warranties, etc. And there it does have a 24-month original manufacturer warranty, which is really quite impressive. 2 years for something with moving parts. It means that they, they pay attention to quality and they believe in their product. And then the QR code, which is both on the user manual as well as on the packaging, for you to go ahead and get customer support or to register your warranty, etc., etc. Cool. So here we have it, all in nice little soft PU bags. Okay, and your standard MICRODIA USB-C. To see, this one's white, and they really are very, very good quality. I have a couple of them now, and they have become my favorite charging cables. And here's the actual device. Oh wow, this is even smaller than what I expected it to be. Wowzers, would you look at that? And here it comes. Oh, this is super cool. Oh man, this is so cool. And you've got the embossed or the textured PU leather. There you have the steel MICRODIA tab, and this is my favorite part. You see the protective plastic? Oh, I love that feeling. There it goes. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there it goes. Nice, nice, nice. So such a good build. It looks so cool. Look at it from the side. I mean, just look at the colors and the material. It's reminiscent of an iPhone. I mean, it looks like somebody's folded up a little iPhone in here. Anyway, let's unfold it. Let's see what happens. Part 1. Oh, cool, would you look at that? And again, the name, the model, your serial numbers, as well as all the rest is embossed into the pink PU leather on the inside. Designed in California, made by MICRODIA. That's super cool. Okay, so I've got that. I think it goes this way, if I'm looking correctly. And where it is. Okay, there it is. So first things first, I'm going to take off the plastic things because I'm going to use this now. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okie dokie, so that's open. And then right there at the back, just like the Folio, the USB-C in is nicely tucked away. Not hard to find, but not in your way either. And I'm gonna take the cable that came with it. This one's white, the other one I got was black. Yeah, that's about 1 meter, nice. And I have off camera here a MICRODIA wall charger. I'm gonna plug it in there, click, and then right back into the SNAPPad Visi-TRIO. It clicks so nicely, really such awesome quality. Let's see, there we go. Okay, so I've got a bit awkward lighting here, but you can actually see that light up. Isn't that cool? Oh, would you look at that? Remember, I was just saying about how when we were in the hotel room, you turn off the lights and you got all these irritating status lights glowing around you, blue and red and in your eye. And on this device, you can turn it on and you can turn it off. And that is just the coolest thing. You know how many times I wanted to turn out status lights and instead you have to put like a sticker over it or a piece of gum or something. And it's honestly one of my absolute pet peeves about traveling. But with this MICRODIA SNAPPad Visi-TRIO, no gum required, no stickers. They've got a button. You need it on, you turn it on. You want to go to sleep, boom, it's off. Isn't that cool, man? That's what we call gangbusters. All right, so on this very left charging coil, it has an image of both a mobile phone and a pair of, or a set of AirPods. I'm gonna grab my phone and stick it on there. How you going, bud? Oh, 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 oh. Okay, all right. So if I align my MagSafe ring, yeah, there we go, immediately charging. Isn't that cool? There's another one right here in the middle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my AirPods on that one. Hey, and they're on. If you can see, these Sony AirPods have got a status light and then they're charging. And then finally, oops, my watch is on my arm. Just hang on, let me get that right there. Here's my Apple Watch and we're gonna stick it. Oh, I love that, and that's MagSafe, so that grabs your watch. Isn't that cool? And there we go. All the devices that I need, whether I'm on holiday or traveling for business, they're charging simultaneously right next to my bed or on the fold-out tray in front of me or wherever. I mean, this thing really is so small. You could potentially have it on the seat of the car next to you. I don't advise that, but pretty much anywhere you can think about putting this SNAPPad Visi-TRIO charging pad, you could. You really, really could. This is super duper impressive. I'm absolutely loving these products. And I just want to take a look here and see quickly. So that's for a phone, right? Okay, and I'll put them there. And they're charging too. And if I put this here, I see. Okay, that's how it goes. So this one, MagSafe for your Apple Watch. This one, MagSafe for your iPhone. And here, you can have either another phone or your AirPods. Oh, I really, really love these things. I'll be honest, I used to take like a bunch of chargers with me because I have a lot of devices and I get frustrated when they don't charge fast enough. I've just come from the beach. I need to go somewhere else and I need my devices to be charged up quickly. You know, I can't be waiting around 3 hours in my room for things to charge. And so having a device like this, you walk in, you put your watch on, you put your phones on, you put your AirPods on, you do your thing, you shower, you have a nap, get up, ready to go. This is just the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. I am so impressed with MICRODIA's innovation, and you guys need to go take a look down in the comments below, and you will see the links for you to go ahead and pick up this SNAPPad Visi-TRIO by MICRODIA, as well as a whole bunch of other cool stuff that they're coming out with. And this isn't even the tip of the iceberg, man. I've got a lot more stuff coming up for you soon, and I think you're going to be as impressed as I am. Alrighty then, so thank you for watching as usual, and like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those good things, and particularly comment. I want to know what you think about these devices. And we'll take it from there. I'll see you soon, cats. Thanks for watching.